It would be the only. Now it would be the mistake to say that that is the only thing which matters. But here I could clearly see that my kitty, my dearest Mishka, has sit and she usually sat here and she waits for hours to, to spaying a small insect or even a wall lizard. And it's a very difficult corner of the house because it's almost the last corner which is on such a height from the ground. And so this is I think what we call as the survival as of the fittest, as the great scientist has said. Unfortunately, the name is not striking in my mind right now, but yeah, so it's like that. And these birds are going here and there. So overall, such is the scene going. And these things keeps happening. It's not it's not something which you would get to see occasionally. It's a diligent things appears in our daily life with any uh, living organism, or with in our human beings as well. We see that a lot of people struggling. Everyone is not like a blessed life, not living a fully fledged life. So it's happened. The struggle is everywhere, as they say. And the difficulties and obstacles and odds to overcome are there. And about the human being, now let's summarize the topic, precisely speaking, on the human beings. We have a brain, so our cerebral capabilities has given us the strength of imagination and to think logically. So all these things and our sufferings are mostly depend on our imagination, our imaginary world, we could say. So the sufferings and the pain and the agony is subjective. Like somebody who is in upper middle class would think of being a to being to live a lavish life, and his happiness would be depend on that. So he will crave to have a Mercedes and a BMW, while the lower middle class person, anybody would think that, oh, at least I could have some decent car so that I could take my family out. And so the happiness are often subjective, as they say. Oh gosh, my cookie is curling. Oh, hey dear. No, what's your? Okay, so she's in the mood. So okay, let me come back to my point. So speaking of human beings, sufferings are very subjective. So that is the whole thing. I think the kitty is in some crazy mood. So I would end the video, guys, now, and I would make a separate one video. It's just the evening. Let me just show you the evening surrounding again. Trying to focus. The camera is so mediocre. So bye for now and take care. And here is my kitty spaying to the insects. Nice shit. So thing which happens every next day. Mm. She is my very dearest pity. Okay, Mishku, just say bye to the our flocks. Say bye to our flocks. She is on some mission of her. Okay, so I think I should not disturb her now.